Hi there, students. It pains me to say, much as it pains me to do this. Okay, if an idea or something pains you, it makes you feel disappointed, it makes you feel distressed. Yeah? So it pains me to tell you that you are going to have to work on Sunday. The dog is very old and we're going to have to put him down, much as it pains me. Okay, it distresses me, but it's what has to be done. Okay, so we use this phrase, much as it pains me, to say it goes against what I would like to do. It goes against my principles. So I didn't think it was fair that I had to pay the money, but much as it pained me, I still had to pay it. Okay, so this means you're reluctant to do something, you're reluctant to accept it. So it pains me that politicians are not more efficient. Yeah, I'm reluctant to accept this. Okay, it pains me to think that you're going to be there all alone without anybody there to help you. Okay, so if something pains you, it causes you to feel sad and upset. Yeah, much as it pains me, but you are going to have to do it like that. You're going to have to do it the hard way. Yeah, much as it pains me, we can't use the computer to do this. It's not going to do a good job. Okay, so we're saying that something pains you. It's not the way that you would like to do it. Much as it pains me to do this, but I have to do it. I have no alternative otherwise. It causes me suffering, it causes me distress. It's not ideal, it's not the best situation, but this is what is necessary. Yeah, it pained me to tell the students that they had all failed the exam. Okay, so much as it pained me, I failed them all. Okay, so I didn't want to, but it was something that was necessary. Okay, so it pains me that things are like this. Yeah, it hurts me emotionally. Much as it pains me, this expresses my frustration, my disillusion that something is not as I would have liked it. It pained me to discover that he had been lying to me. Yeah, it pained me to tell him that he had lost his job. Yeah, it pained me to fire him. Okay, it pained me to discover that this was not as it should be. Okay, I was very pained to discover that. Okay, I was upset about it. The subject upset him or upset me. Okay, so it pains me to do this, but I have no option. It's the only thing I can do. Okay, formality. It pains me to do this. This I'm going to give, I think, a 5.5, maybe even a 6 in formality. I wouldn't use this in an informal conversation. I think informally, I'm sorry, but. Yeah, I'm sorry, but I have to do this. It pains me to have to do this. This is much more formal, semi-formal conversation. Much as it pains me, but I must do this, probably even a little bit more formal. I think use this in a semi-formal or even a formal conversation. Yeah, it's I'm not sure I would use this in a semi-formal or formal writing. Um, it pains people to have to do this. I guess you could use it in a semi-formal conversation, but I think primarily this is something spoken. Much as it pains me, but I'm going to make you pay for this. It pains me to tell you that your flight has been cancelled. Okay, this is like a public announcement or something like this. This is a way to officially give somebody bad news. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Much as it pains me to